This is my second video that I am doing about Politics Watch channel. I am not Sir P. Although when I was a police officer back home in Jamaica at Hunts Bay, some police officers, even the people, the average people in the community where I used to work, they would call me Sir P. Stop giving me credit for things that I have no knowledge about or doing. Some police officers whom I have worked with and who know my modus operandi, disposition, my traits, and use of jargon have arrived at one conclusion, that I am the person behind Politics Watch channel. People, I am not the person, period. I am not Sir P. I am not that Sir P. You understand? And you guys just need to stop this gossip and stuff like that. You understand what I'm saying? I have said it privately, publicly, to people who have served with, people who have known me for years. And you know that I am a straight shooter. I am not the kind of person who will hide behind any curtain when I am doing anything. You know, I am the same person. You understand? Who speak up and speak against corrupted police officers. You understand? And even politicians whom I have known, or people who I have known who was involved in corrupted activities. You understand? Period. You know, on Wednesday, April 20th, 2022, at about 6:30 p.m., I received a video from an ex-police officer. More than one, it was a lot of police officers, ex-police officers, even civilian. It was sent to me via direct messenger, Instagram. I just delete it and stuff like that because I know that it's not me. That's, you understand. The video is from an attorney at law named Donovan Collins, otherwise known as Scarface or Scary, who was a police officer in the Jamaica Constabulary Force from Jamaica, about one of his clients, Linval Thompson Jr., otherwise known as Shabdam. And I want you to listen to the video in its entirety, because it is not me, so I hope I'll be able to dispel that rumor, because I know Jamaican people say that once they hold on to something, that is what they go by. So I want you to listen to this, because I am not Sir P. Okay? I am going to contact Sir P myself. Listen.
My name is Donovan Collins, attorney at law who represents Linval Thompson Jr. Now, Linval Thompson Jr. is a partner of Shabdan Records, which is a well-established recording company. Now, Mr. Thompson Jr. has been the victim of several defamatory videos which have been posted by popular vlogger Sir P of Politics Watch. Now, Sir P of Politics Watch has sent out several videos, and in these videos he has clearly stated that Linval Thompson Jr. is involved in several crimes, murders, shooting, and also that he is a part of gang activities. Now, all these are false. Mr. Linval Thompson Jr. is a well-known, well-established businessman, and he is not involved in any criminal activity. Now, these defamatory videos have caused Mr. Thompson Jr. to suffer severe reputational harm. It has also caused him to suffer damages. And we are demanding that Sir P of Politics Watch cease and desist from publishing any further defamatory videos about Mr. Linval Thompson Jr. It is very important that Sir P stop this immediately, as we intend to take all the necessary legal steps to ensure that Mr. Thompson Jr.'s reputation is protected. Now I know that Sir P has been hiding behind a wall, but I would like to let Mr. Sir P know that there are steps that can be taken legally to
Yeah, now
tear
that
down
you have
that
listened to
wall
the video, I
so
hope
that
those who
the
have the notion
public
that
can
I
know
am
who
Sir
you
P
are. So
um,
this
realize
is
now
a
that I
warning,
am
Sir
not
P.
the same person. I
Cease
am
and
Sir P, but
desist
not
from
that Sir P
spreading
at
defamatory
Politics Watch.
contents about
Not
Mr.
because the
Gabriel Thompson
demeanor,
Jr.
disposition, and trait and modus operandi, you know, pretty much the same. I am not that. That person there is not me. And if it was me, I would not be afraid to acknowledge that it's me, because I know that saying things about people, you can be sued. You understand? But when I say, it's alleged, that's different. That is not defamation. But I am not here defending Sir P or anything like that. Although he has been very, very integral when it comes down to fighting crime in Jamaica. 'Cause he has been doing a better job than the police, because the police cannot do the things that he has been doing. And he's way have more, he has the resources and he has the people who's behind him that supply him with the information. I'm not a full-time YouTuber. You understand what I'm saying? This is not my job, and as I said before. Sometimes even a month will even pass or there about and I don't do a video. You understand? And if those of who are patrons and stuff like that, if you look at where your money is going, it's not going to me in the United States. You understand what I'm saying? Because you will see that. So, but I'll contact Sir P um, for him to take care of this problem. This is the second video now I have done. I have communicated with him once. That was over a year or thereabouts. But to me, he's doing a tremendous service for Jamaican people. You understand? Exposing all the corruption is rampant there and all, uh, even within the various agency of governments and who are involved and stuff like that. And he has been exposing a lot of criminals, and the man has been doing a wonderful job. You understand? So you cannot take that from him. But a majority of Jamaican attention spans are like goldfishes, 15 seconds. 15 seconds. And after 15 seconds, their brains are tired and dead easily. They forgot what they were going to do because it's 50 seconds. That is why they're gullible and easy to ingest all kind of nonsense and lies. Due to laziness inherited through the umbilical cord, with genetic parting from parents to the unborn. That is why we have so many criminals minding people in Jamaica. I know that a lot of them will hate me, especially thieving police. Yes, I will not stop beating drum against them, because thieving police are the one that has caused the police force to suffer irreparable from with the people, and that's why the people have lost trust with them. You understand? So I just hope now with this video that I am putting out for the second time, I am going to contact Sir P, you understand, for him to get this thing stop circulating, because it has been going on for more than a year. It's going on like 2 years. But the thing is that why I don't, police, they're very skillful in which they have looked at both channels. It's like coincidence that both channels were launched within days. It doesn't mean that it's the same person. People stop, being, using conspiracy theory, man. You understand? If it was me, I would say it's me. Anybody who know me from when I was growing up, that I am a kind of person that I am not afraid to own responsibility to anything. I am not a coward, period. Never have, never will be. So, stop the nonsense, and hopefully this thing will put to rest, and Sir P will deal with it. You understand? Because, people have this notion that the first video I'm doing was smoking mirror, because I was doing the video to myself, so I didn't respond So now I am reaching out. I am going to let the person who's behind it just denounce this narrative out there that it's me. You understand? I know that the hypocrites, them who do not like me, they're very happy. But hey, look, I don't care. It's not. If it was me, I would say it's me. You understand what I'm saying? Period. Just thanks for listening to the Jamaica Young Police channel. And I am not Sir P from Politics Stretch. I am Sir P from Jamaica Young Police channel. And this is mostly all about the young police officers them. And the reason why I do this channel is for most young police for them to migrate from Jamaica. Because the CMP I was getting in 1988 as a constable, when you convert the money to US currency, it's the CMP that they're getting in 2022. That's over 34 years. So the police officers have been paid the same pay for nearly 40 years. So the police are being scammed. When you don't look at the money, it's the conversion. Okay? Have yourself a blessed day. Remember to like and share the video. Peace. One love. All the best to you and your family. And remember, subscribe to Blessed Love. Cool.